Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. I'm David Sugarman, and I'm here to help you learn English in a simple, fun, and useful way. Today we're going to be going over could be and must be. If you're tired of studying and not seeing progress, you're in the right place. I've created easy lessons that take you step by step, starting from the basics and moving up. We'll focus on key areas like grammar and listening, both super important to help you understand and speak English naturally. This video is part of a series of lessons, so if you've been learning with me or one of my teachers, it's a great way to review what you've already covered in class. Whether we're working together one-on-one, in a group, or you're studying with one of my teachers, these presentations help you keep practicing and keep making progress. Think of this video as a tool to review the lesson, a way to go over the material again, and just make it stick. This way of learning really works. You'll start to understand and speak English with more confidence, so stick with it, keep practicing, and you'll see progress in no time. And if you want even more practice, you can find exercises on my website at davidenglish.info that go perfectly with these lessons to help you learn faster. So let's just get started. Could be or must be. How do we know when to use them the right way? Use for deductions. Could be. This is to make guesses about things when you aren't sure if it's true or not. Okay? You're like 50% sure about it. Okay? So there's a 50% of a chance that this thing is true. Examples. It could be her phone ringing, but I'm not certain. So maybe there's some phone ringing in the house, and then you say, it could be her phone ringing. Could this be Mark's jacket? I've never seen him wear it before. So you see some jacket, you're not so sure that it belongs to him. So you say, you say, could this be Mark's jacket? It could be. It could be. Now, let's go to must be. It's used to express a logical deduction or guess about a present event. We are almost certain about the event. 99% sure, 95% sure. For example, David must be hungry. Why? He hasn't eaten all day. So the fact that he hasn't eaten all day makes me conclude in my head that he must be hungry. So he should eat. Liam must be busy. He hasn't replied to any messages. So let's say you keep on trying to contact this guy Liam all day and he doesn't answer you. So most likely he must be busy, right? Or he could be ignoring you, right? He could be. So let's continue with the exercises. So at this time, we're going to do the practices and the exercises to get better. I typically tell my students to get a notebook, a pen and pencil, and write down the answers. And after that, you can check your answers by continuing the video. So you can stop the video and then continue the video and then check your answers. Directions. Rephrase the sentences using could be or must be. So number one, it says, I think the package arrived. Okay? So let's rephrase the sentence using could be or must be. Like, let's rebuild the sentence, adding in there could be or must be. So what do you think the answer is? So I think the package arrived. We can rephrase it and say, It must be the package. Here, if you're almost 100% sure, you can say it must be the package, right? Number 2, she looks upset. I think something happened. So when you look at this person and she looks upset, something must be wrong, right? She's upset. You think something happened. Something must be wrong. 3, I'm not sure if the meeting is at 3 p.m. So if you're not sure about this at all, you're not sure. So what do you think the answer is? You could say to me, the meeting could be at 3 p.m. The meeting could be at 3 p.m. 4, I don't know if he knows about the surprise. So what can we conclude from this? Well, we could say he could be unaware of the surprise because he knows, we don't know if he knows about the surprise, right? And number 5, the door is locked. I think no one is inside. So if you think that no one is inside and you're almost 100% sure, you can rephrase it and say, no one must be inside. No one must be inside. Let's continue to the next set of questions. I want to remind you that you can go to davidenglish.info right down below and go to the could be or must be in the pre-intermediate lesson, and you can do more practice to get better. And I also want to ask you to subscribe to my channel and share this video with a friend so we can help change people's lives. Let's continue. Number 6, I'm not sure if this book belongs to you. So I'm not sure if this book belongs to you. Let's rephrase that. Let's see what's a better answer. Well, we could say to the person, this book could be yours, right? I'm not sure if this book belongs to you. I can say, this book could be yours, right? Number 7, I think the kids are in the park. I can rephrase that and I can say, the kids must be in the park because I really think that they're there. Number 8, I don't know if the store is open today. What do you think? How do we rephrase that? Well, we could say, the store could be open today. The store could be open today. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Number 9, the weather is getting colder, and I think winter is coming. So if I really feel that this is the case, that winter is coming, I can say, winter must be coming because the weather is getting colder. Number 10, I think the meeting is in room 202. Well, let's say you think that the meeting is in room 202. Let's rephrase that. You can also say to the person, the meeting must be in room 202 or 202. Directions. Rephrase the sentence using could be or must be. I'll help you through it. And again, you can do more exercises on my website at davidenglish.info. Please subscribe, hit the bell, hit a like button, make a comment, and let's continue and share this with a friend. Number 11, I'm not sure if the museum is open on Mondays. So if you're not sure, you can say the museum could be open on Mondays. The museum could be open on Mondays. 12, I think she's already left for the day. So another way we could say is that she couldn't be at the office now. She couldn't be at the office now. Number 13, I heard the store closes at 8 p.m. So if you heard that, so you probably are pretty sure about that it's not going to be open. So you say it mustn't be open now. There's no way it mustn't be open now. We're not going to go to the store. 14, I saw him leave with a suitcase. He must be going on a trip. So if you conclude this and you see all the facts and they're leading to you to understand that this is the case, you can rephrase it and say, he must be going on a trip, right? Unless he's got a lot of money in there and he's like part of the mafia, right? Number 15, I'm not sure if this address is correct. So another way to rephrase this is, this address could be correct. Okay, we're not entirely sure. We're not entirely sure. Let's go to number 16. Amazing. And the more practice you do, the better you're going to get. I'm with you 100%. Same with one of my teachers. And we're going to get better and better each time we do exercises like this. Let's continue. I believe in you. The lights are on. So someone must be home. What's another way that we can rephrase this with could be or must be? Well, if that's the case, someone must be home. Someone must be home. 17, he's wearing a suit. He must be going to a formal event. Well, in this case, we assume and we think this, he must be going to a formal event. 18, I saw him leave early this morning. So here, I'm just going to give you another way to rephrase this is, he mustn't be at the meeting because I saw him leave early this morning. So he mustn't be at the meeting. You can come up with another example yourself if you want. 19, I heard her talking about a new job. She must be excited. I heard her talking about a new job. So the answer is she must be excited. I'm sorry, I gave you the answer so quickly. And 20, I'm certain that this answer is wrong. So another way to rephrase that is, it couldn't be the correct answer. Guys, amazing job. You just did 20 with could be and must be. And remember, could be is like you're not 100% sure, and must be is when you are 100%, almost 100% sure, like 95% sure, 99% sure. I think a really good way to practice this is if you go into like a cafe or something and you observe the situation, like sociology, observe your surroundings and describe the situation you notice and indicate what they could be or must be doing. It's actually like a fun game you could do. You could look at a couple and say, oh, they must be together for like 5 years or something. You know, you can look at them. So practice this with a friend. Leave some comments on what you discover. And I would love to comment back and see how you're doing. So here are the answers. I'll just read them out to you for listening practice, and then I'll let you go on your own way. Number 1, I think the package arrived. It must be the package. Number 2, she looks upset. I think something happened. Something must be wrong. 3, I'm not sure if the meeting is at 3 p.m. The meeting could be at 3 p.m. 4, I don't know if he knows about the surprise. He could be unaware of the surprise. 5, the door is locked. I think no one is inside. No one must be inside. 6, I'm not sure if this book belongs to you. This book could be yours, right? 7, I think the kids are in the park. The kids must be in the park. 8, I don't know if the store is open today. The store could be open today. 9. The weather is getting colder. I think winter is coming. Winter must be coming. 10. I think the meeting is in room 202, or you could say 202. The meeting must be in room 202 or in room 202. 11. I'm not sure if the museum is open on Mondays. The museum could be open on Mondays. 12. I think she's already left for the day. She couldn't be at the office now. 13. I heard the store closes at 8 p.m. It mustn't be open now. 14. I saw him leave with a suitcase. He must be going on a trip. He must be going on a trip. 15. I'm not sure if this address is correct. This address could be correct. 16. The lights are on. So someone, what do you think? The lights are on. So someone must be home. 17. He's wearing a suit. He must be going to a formal event. 18. I saw him leave early this morning. He mustn't be at the meeting. 19. I heard her talking about a new job. She must be excited. 20. I'm certain that this answer is wrong. It couldn't be the correct answer. Guys, for more information, you can visit and follow my social media accounts. I'm on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. And again, visit the website davidenglish.com. And there you can find more exercises to practice this. I wish you good luck. You can do it. Hi, how are you today? If you would like to elevate your English level where people actually understand you, where you're not making mistakes, where you're not confused, where you have control of your English, then you're in the right place. My name is David Sugarman. I've been teaching business English for over 12 years, and I can really help you. Currently, right now, I'm teaching in big companies like Diplomat Israel, like IKEA, and others. If you would like to hear more information, please reach out to me over here. Bye for now.